Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories, and I am unbelievably excited to share this giant book with you. I had so much fun recreating a book that I actually made in the past, and I used a series of different paper packs to make this nice big wedding album. And one of them was die cuts with the view gold and white, and then the other, the Essential Craft Paper Ink Drops Monochrome. So I really wanted to go for a classy, elegant book, so I just layered up those accent colors. You got the eggplant and then the gold foil. It went perfect with this giant love on the front, and that was actually out of the individual sheet aisle, as well as this beautiful gold foil rose paper. I just couldn't get enough of it. This album is 11 by 11, and it actually holds about 51 pictures, but of course, all the pockets and stuff, you can add more if you wanted. So right here on the front and side cover, there's a nice big area. I've got a cute little ribbon closure, and I fussy cut around some of these stickers that I got also from Hobby Lobby, and this is just so cute. You can even do a magnetic closure right there if you wanted. This is all 5x7 photo space. Fussy cut around that and stuck it there. Totally in love with the cute little heart stamp right there. Hobby Lobby as well. And then a nice big spot right inside there, so you can stuff the wedding invitation in there. This paper was a blast. If you want to learn to make this exact book with this exact paper, I have the entire class down in the description, and I'll leave all that info down there for you. This is something you can do. And this just ties back up to keep it closed. So here's page 1. We've got a nice popped up 5x7, perfect for the bride and groom. And of course, nice professional pictures can go in here. A nice 3x3 spot as well. And then these cute little journaling cards that I made. They're kind of like tags, but they just fold out. And then you can write whatever you want inside here and journal. And of course, you can even add more photos in there if that's actually what you wanted to do. The paper collection also came with these beautiful little, it just went perfect with the Paper Studio with that white and gold look. So I wanted to keep it kind of wedding themed, so I only included so many different types of cut aparts, and they're both the same. This one's just a little bit more narrow for a slightly different mix-up of a look. On the rounded pocket, I also have that cute beaded pearl little strip there going across, and then Cherish, and I added a couple of flat back pearls. I just fell in love. Each one of these are pocket pages, so nice stability on these large pages. They lay nice and flat. I have a cute little insert for more picture space, and of course you could double up on this. I used the eggplant and that super cool monochrome paper. A nice, look at this. It was so fun to put together, and that just slides right back in. Picture space for days in here. And right on the back is page 2, super fun. Got this nice little fold out right here using that gold foil accent paper. Some more of that heart stamp action. And some more string beaded pearls. Got that ribbon, totally closing that up. And then you could fit 2 more 5x7s in there. Mr. and Mrs. right there at the bottom, and I've got some swing tabs right here. And then this whole flap opens as well. 4x6 photo space, landscape and vertical, you name it, it's here. This paper is probably my favorite. Look at that. So much fun right there. Individual sheet, aisle, and Hobby Lobby again. So then you just kind of twist these closed to keep that flap totally in place. And then right here on page 3, we have bride and groom. I just fussy cut those out, a little bit of string of pearls there. And then these little guys open up. And the little ribbon pull tab, magnetic closure for both. 4x6s go in there, and you can write like a little something about the bride and groom. And then we've got a super nice insert again right here. Total journaling spots, picture spots, you name it, it's here. If you've never made an album or even ever taken a class with me, I'll leave a particular one right up here for you so you can kind of get the feel, see if it's kind of the style you want to learn from. And again, page 4, 4x6 landscape with another 3x3. Love these cute little flat back pearls. They just add like a nice little elegant look right there. I tied some eggplant ribbon, 3/8 of an inch ribbon right here for these other little ones, the rings, and then I did a little cluster down here. And they just open up. And you could just even write whatever you want in there. I love that pearly paper. I don't know if you're able to tell, but this is really like this metallic kind of paper here. I just thought this was so cute. That one opens up the same way. And they tuck right back in there. And again, you could really stuff any little fun little bits in there that you want. I could see this as a baby album too. So right here, we have a super cool closing mechanism on this little trifold that tucks behind there. This opens up, and we've got more picture space. And then you tuck that back to keep it closed. Love that. We've got some more swing tab action here, and another photo spot down here. Love this word paper. This actually came out of the, I believe, the individual sheet aisle in Hobby Lobby. See how that goes so well with the die cuts with the view white and gold? I was just taken aback. 5x7 pictures, 4x6 pictures is the main focus here. And again, a nice large insert. 4x6, landscape, portrait. Super duper fun. Right here on page 6, I layered up this cute little cake and a couple different ribbons there. And we have a cute ribbon pull tab again. A nice little card with the magnetic closure for 2 more 4x6s. And then swivel tabs here. This releases the flap. And I do, look how cute. Love that rose paper. I can't get enough of it. These close back up nice and easy. Here we have page 7, another little fold out. This one goes up, and then this one goes down. First kiss. Tons of picture space in there. And if you decide to ever become a monthly subscriber, you gain instant access to every single class I've ever created in my entire career, and that's about 78 right now. And we just have a complete blast. We have a group, and it's just so much fun to see what everybody's making. Right here on the back, we have page 8. I just tied this cute ribbon, did a little angle pocket there, and wow. I mean, you could really do this up any which way you want. It's such a special place to keep pictures. I have a cute, simple 5x7 floating photo mat right there. And then our wedding. Super fun paper. This one is super simple. Just some picture space in there for 5x7 pictures. I did a little eggplant photo mat as well, a little floating guy. Got some hearts on the back. That paper is just divine. This is something you can do. Just a series of steps, and then you're 100% on your way. This, I think, was probably my favorite of all the designs. A couple more swivel tabs right here, and then this little ribbon helps us pull this accordion right out. How fun is that? And this beautiful ribbon, I just want to get another close-up. I mean, this is seriously, I know I keep repeating myself, but it's so fun to just see this elegant book just totally come together. And you could switch up any kind of double matting that you want. Here's another 4x6 and 5x7 picture spot. You could totally customize it as your own. Change out ribbon colors, change out the gold foil turned into rose gold, anything you want. This is our creative journey, and we can do anything. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this nice big book. I love it so much, and I cannot wait to make it with you. I'll leave all my favorite supplies and the goodies I used for this down in the description, and all the class info below as well. I'll see you next time. Bye.